Hello everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name on Top War. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Launch open Top War application and then make sure that you're inside the main homepage. Once you end up in the main homepage, go ahead and tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner. Now, you'll be able to see your ID displayed at the top of the screen, or your profile name will be given at the top. To change to a different name, tap on the pencil and paper icon on the right corner. This will then pop up the change name option. You can change your name on Top Wars for free only once. After you've created a new account, you can only change your name once, so make a wise choice here. Enter your preferred name in the text box and make sure to choose it wisely, since you will not be able to do it again for free, but you can do so by spending some amounts. After you are done writing down your name, tap on OK and you have successfully changed your name on Top Wars. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.